everyone, I'm a clinical trainer from Hong Kong Technologies Company. This video is using to provide a better after service for our customer. Please do not use for commercial purpose. And if you have any question I can help with, please contact with this number on WhatsApp, or you can just contact with your supervisors directly. Now, we're gonna study IPO-E for fat freezing. And the first thing, when you receive your package, you should check in the accessories completely and undamaged from the accessory list. This is a key switch. You can turn it to switch on or switch off this machine. This is the emergency button. When anything emergency happens, you can press down this, and when you wanna open this machine again, you can rotate in the clockwise to open it.
Let's take a back view of this machine. This four socket is for handle pieces, and this is a protector. It has fuse in it. This is power supply. This is refill socket, and refill is for a fusion. Foot switch, drain socket, overflow socket.
Now, let's take our accessories out and try to installation this machine.
First, put out your handle pieces. Press the white buttons on both sides and match handle pieces on sockets. We must make sure handle pieces connect very well with this machine. And when we install handle pieces, we must hear a click like this. After this step, we finished install one pieces, and the other handle pieces are same with this one. Put out foot switch. We can see a bracket in the end of the plug. When we install foot switch, bridge upwards and plug into foot switch on the machine and screw it tightly.
Let's install power cable.
IPO-E machine needs water to realize its fat freezing function. Now, let us fill water in the machine. In your accessories, you can find fennel, CPC big head, and CPC small head. Those objects are using for add water and drain. When we fill water in machine, it should be switched off. Step 1. Put big CPC head plug into overflow and put a container under it in case overflow water wet the floor. Press the button above overflow and insert CPC head. When you heard a click like this, overflow CPC head installation is finished. Step 2. Connect small CPC head with fennel and insert into refill plug. Press the button above refill, and when you heard a click like this, fennel installation is finished. And we suggested distilled or pure water to add considerate to the lifespan of machine. Then add water through fennel. When water came out from the overflow mouth continuously, stop at filling water. Then pull out big CPC head from overflow socket. Water will stop flowing by themselves. When we need to change water in machine, press button above drain button. Put big CPC head in drain plug. When you heard a click, we finished install the head. Sometimes water cannot come out from drain mouth because lack of cross ventilation air in the machine. So we can insert fennel in refill mouth, then add water will come out. But don't forget put a container under it in case wet floor. Now, let's turn the key switch to turn on IPO-E. First, handle pieces choosing screen. big handle pieces and small handle pieces, you can combination them or use them single, and the choice you made usually depends on your customers. This is the parameter setting screen. This will show the inside water circulation. There will be a red signal and a warning if the water circulation is not right. And this is the working time. This is the working steps. It will enter the parameter adjustment interface. This is the working statue transformation. It can be changed between standby and ready. Let's into the parameter setting interface. The parameters can be adjusted here and saved. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. The 3 steps will change automatically. Also, you can set the 3 steps. In most cases, parameter setting can be different from different people, and the whole treatment time should be in 1 hour, and the middle first time can longer than others. And this is the reference parameters. When we use vacuum mode, we better set vibration frequency to 1, and the temperature should also follow lower, higher, lower. Now, let's save parameter and started to do a treatment. Now, I will show you operation process. Before we started our treatment, talk to your clients, avoid contradictions, measure the treatment part in case of the preparation before and after, avoid the novel part. After everything ready, using anti-freezing membrane, cover the treating area. Change standby mode to ready mode. You can see the treatment handle is light on, and the red light is RF light to make energy transmit deeper. Then you can press the foot switch or start button on treatment handle. Start our treatment. Put the treatment handle on your client's treatment area and press button when the treatment handle begin to vacuum. Ask your client's feeling. He or she must feel vacuum, but they can bear the vacuum. Then it's the right parameters, and the treatment time will show on screen. Waiting for 1 hour, and then release the handle. Then we finished a session.